I think if there is a thing as, reincarnation,
Hmm.
coming back as a bird would be amazing.
Like them little finches and sparrows.
Yeah, coming back as a finch would make sense.
I think if there is a God, I think he'd let you decide what you want to do when you die. Go to
I hope
his
that'd be the
heaven or
case.
whatever, or come back, be a bird, or another person if you'd want to go through that again.
Yeah. Life's been tough the first time round. I don't know if I'd want to do it all again.
Exactly.
Just a bird, something carefree. Just fly around.
I will say one thing though, Clayton.
What's that?
If I had to go through everything I've ever went through to meet you again, I would.
Do you really mean that, Miss Marietta?
I do. You mean a whole lot to me.
I know the moment I fell in love with you. We were standing at the train station, and you hugged me, and you told me everything's gonna be okay, and I believed you. I think that's when my heart fell for you. You are married to him, Marietta. As death to you part. Maybe in the next life when we come back as birds, we can come back as lovebirds for one another.
Can't bear to lose you, Clayton.
My heart is forever yours, Marietta. There she is.
Hello.
Hello, beautiful.
How are you?
Not bad, yourself?
Not bad. Better now that you're here. Clayton,
Hello, Miss Marietta.
can I stay with you?
I don't know if that's gonna be a good idea, Miss Marietta. Selfishly, all what I want you to do is stay with me.
That's all I want to.
Miss Marietta, our relationship has been very public.
Yes.
I don't regret a thing. My heart hurts tremendously. But I would go through it 100 times over, miss.
Hey,
I don't want her love to be a secret, Marietta.
I know. Neither do
I want to stand in the middle of the street and scream it,
I.
not hide away in a cabin in the woods.
It doesn't deserve to be hidden. It's a beautiful thing. Clayton,
It'll all be fine, Marietta.
everything will be fine.
We know how each other feels no matter what.
If we can get through this, we can get through anything. I love you, Clayton Swaney.
As I love you, Marietta Finch,
Forever.
forever.
And I'll always just be upstairs.
As I would always be just downstairs.
Thank you for loving me.
I always will. I promise you that.
Always. We'll figure it out. One way or another.